Good morning, everybody. So, I will be out today because I've got to do a meeting during our time. So, I'm sorry. I hope this season of busyness will end soon. But I hope you've had a wonderful Friday, and I can't wait to hear about your weekend. Okay, everybody. So, here's your work. So, this week we've been talking about two things really. Well, three. We've been talking about magic E or silent E. We've been talking about cause and effect, which is um, why something happens and what happens as a result. Let me remind you of that. Why something happens and what happens as a result. We practiced that the other day two times. Like when we were reading about the castle, and I asked, okay, because castles were surrounded by a moat, what happened? What was the effect of that? And many of you said, oh, Miss Horn, that made it more difficult for people to cross and get to the castle. Another effect was, um, people could have been attacked by an animal in the moat. Excuse me. Then we read a little bit about the castle and how it has a lot of natural resources actually in the castle, but also in the land. And so then we asked ourselves, we said, okay, so the effect, we know what happened was people were able to buy and sell different goods, specifically merchants, right? So we asked ourselves, why was that able to happen? Well, it was able to happen because of all the resources at and around the castle. So your job today is to start on eight, page eight, and you're going to go all the way to page 14. Then, once you finish, I expect you to go to page number 9 and answer this question. So, because enemies would raid the castle, because enemies would raid the castle and invade it, what happened as a result? And you're going to use specifically page 10 to look for evidence. Okay? Now, the one last thing that I want to show you is on um, this slide and this slide, I added in some extra pictures because, excuse me, on the page before it, there were some confusing words that I was like, I assume they might not know. So I put some pictures there for you to see. So this is called a battering ram. This thing right here, that's a battering ram. And this is called a catapult. This is a lance, and this is a medieval mace. Right now, again, you're going immediately to page 8, reading all the way, and then when you're done, go grab this sheet from your teacher and begin. Thank you.